Welcome to GoFundMe, where over 250,000 medical campaigns are hosted each year.
Sadly, studies show that 9 out of 10 of these campaigns don't even meet their stated financial goals, and the majority of which don't even get halfway there.
For marginalized groups, especially people of color and the LGBTQ community, the fundraising statistics are even more disheartening.
The United States healthcare system is a complex and confusing disaster. Compared to comparatively wealthy countries, the U.S. spends a lot more on healthcare while delivering worse outcomes.
According to a statement from GoFundMe, quote,
"A crowdfunding platform cannot and should not be a solution to complex systemic problems that must be solved with meaningful policy. We believe that affordable access to comprehensive healthcare is a right, and action must be taken by the government to make this a reality for all Americans."
end quote.
We're a team of students,
scholars,
And cartoonists,
and we agree.
To that end, we're asking for your help to print, publish, and distribute Health and Wealth, a graphic guide to the U.S. healthcare system. Comics are a great medium for conveying complex information in a memorable and engaging way, and we hope this book will both increase healthcare literacy and generate discussions around healthcare reform.
A digital version of the comic book and an accompanying engagement guide will be available for free online.
And if we meet our $3,500 goal, we will send a copy of the comic book to each and every member of Congress in order to spur our elected leaders to focus on the issue of healthcare.
As medical costs bankrupt more and more Americans and people can't access the care that they need, meaningful reform is long overdue. Thank you for supporting this project.